In this video, I'm going to show you how you
Log
can
out of
easily
your
Google account on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end
so you
don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first
We need to
open up YouTube app on our iPhone or Android smartphone. After that, make sure you are signed into your YouTube
And then
account.
top
Right here, where it says you on your device. This bottom may be located somewhere here at the top right. And once you are at your channel's page, then you need just to tap right here
And
a switch account button. And then you will be taken to the page where, at the very bottom, you can easily find manage accounts on these devices. Now I'm gonna top right and here. As you can see now, we are taken to the page where we can easily check all the accounts we've signed in on that particular device. And from here, we can easily log out of any account from this list, simply by typing remove from this device button. Now here it says that this account and any unsaved data will be removed and from other YouTube. Google apps on this device. So now, guys, by hitting remove, I will sign out that particular account from all day Google applications on my device, such as Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, Google Maps, and others. Please know that it doesn't remove the account itself. It will just sign you out from all Google services, including YouTube at once. If this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button